Is your kid always glued to their phone? Feels like the gadget is an extra hand? Sound familiar? You try to tell them it's bad for real conversations, for learning, and it wastes so much time, but they don't listen. So, should you ban it? Probably won't work. But here's the thing. Smartphones, tablets, and the internet can actually become powerful learning tools.
Oh, come on, a book?
When I was your age, I read a lot. And imagine my...
Grandma, schools are full of them. And also, books are boring.
Technology is such a huge part of life now that trying to fight it is like trying to stop the time. Impossible. Your kid will just call you a dinosaur or even the fun police. So how do you turn their phone from a distraction into something that actually helps them grow? That's the real challenge.
Let me give it a try.
Hey, Grandpa!
Point your camera at the picture. See the play button?
Yeah.
Tap it.
Whoa! What's that?
This is a secret knowledge of captains.
Does the book come alive with the phone?
Yes, this is Magic Book.
Wow!
How to Become a Captain combines 3 powerful tools: a comic book, app-based video lessons, and a multimedia encyclopedia. The multimedia app gives you unlimited access to engaging visual learning experiences. Not everyone can look through a telescope or a microscope, but everyone has a phone. That's why the app offers curated and relevant resources to expand your knowledge of yachting, geography, history, meteorology, shipbuilding, and the incredible stories of famous explorers, all conveniently at your fingertips. Unlike most tools, the app doesn't just repeat what's in the book, it enriches it.
I've been a yachtsman for 40 years and I teaching yachting for 24. I run my own yachting school and we've trained more than 5,000 students. Long voyages inspired me to write many manuals that cover everything you need to know about yachting. But I wanted to create a textbook that's ahead of its time.
What's this?
The helm. If you turn the helm to the right, the yacht moves to the right.
Can I try?
Go ahead, young captain.
The textbook has evolved into a fun and delightful comic book that both kids and adults will enjoy. After all, we're all kids at heart.
How to Become a Captain is a magical textbook for everyone aged 8 to 100. It's perfect for boys, girls, and anyone who loves adventures, nature, or technology. This book will captivate even kids who don't usually read and spend most of their time on their phones. We call it the cure for forgotten dreams. For adults who love the sea, it works like magic. Tested and proven. It's truly a magical encyclopedia. The app includes video lessons with practical tips for every topic. You'll find hundreds of animations, 3D tours, programs, and books. Simply point your camera at an image on the page and unlock a world of knowledge. Our team is constantly innovating and exploring the best in IT to bring even more.
We've done an incredible amount of work. We corrected every mistake and gap in yachting education. The basics and practical lessons are now enriched with an ocean of optional information to explore.
That was epic. If only we had virtual textbooks in school. Show me more. This is awesome.
The book, How to Become a Captain, is a brilliant example of quality and engaging self-education. All you need is the book, a phone, and the internet. Logical thinking, analysis, motivation, and imagination, these are invaluable skills. And let's face it, everyone loves to play. Learning through play just can't be boring. We even patented the teaching methodology.
With your support, everything we create will continue to grow and thrive. Let's set sail on this exciting journey together.
Let your dreams go around the world.